When opening the box of the Creality Ender 3v3, the first thing that stands out is the packaging. Everything is perfectly protected with high-density foam, ensuring that each piece arrives in perfect condition. Each component is carefully placed to prevent movement during transport, giving a sense of quality from the very first moment. At the top, we find the user manual, which comes with stickers to personalize the printer. The manual is very clear and designed to guide you step by step through the assembly process, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. Next, we come across a sample filament spool. This small detail is very useful, as it allows you to perform your first prints without having to purchase additional material right away. Following that, there are accessories for the extruder, such as spare nozzles and a needle to clean potential clogs. These extras are indispensable for the printer's maintenance and proper operation. One of the standout features is the touchscreen. This modern, well-sized panel is highly intuitive, making it easy and pleasant to interact with the printer. The box also includes a very complete toolkit. Allen keys, a screwdriver, clips, and other assembly tools are provided. Everything is neatly organized in a small box to keep things tidy. Another important detail is the Teflon tube that connects the extruder to the nozzle. This component is essential for ensuring a stable filament flow and improving print quality. The heated bed also stands out for its design. It is spacious, features a surface that enhances adhesion, and ensures that pieces can be easily removed once completed. Additionally, its uniform heating is ideal for working with different types of filaments. Finally, we come to the main frame, which includes the system where the extruder is mounted. Made of aluminum, this frame provides excellent stability and precision, resulting in high-quality prints. Furthermore, its robust and minimalist design ensures that the printer is durable and easy to maintain. At this moment, the machine is auto-calibrating for the first time. Well, that's all for now, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe and give the video a like.